Hi, I'm AKHTAR. In this video, I'm going to talk about list file, very interesting list file. With that list file, you can easily do your dwelling service load calculation or service conductor size, or you can add any appliance. You can calculate through optional method, standard method, or both methods. So let's start. You just have to enter AP. When you will enter AP, this command is for the app load. You will have to select your app or list file where you have saved this file. Okay, you'll have to go there and then select that and then load. Okay, when you load it, then you'll have to enter SLC. You will see it in the command line, SLC underscore engineer SHAKEEL. You'll have to click here on that, and then you will see uh, if you want to do the calculation as per NEC 2017, as per NEC 2020, you will have to select here. And then if you have the area in meter square or feet square, you have to select here. And if you want to do the calculation through standard method or optional method, it's up to you. Uh, in USA, the most of the residential buildings are calculated by service calculated by optional method because it will give you a less amps service, not a bigger size. You can see when we will go through this. Okay, now the kitchen appliances. Before that, we will have to check service general lighting load, general sockets load. For the laundry and small appliance, you will have to enter here. This one is the voltage, or you can say that the dwelling service voltage is 240 because three wire system, and this is 240, and area is to 6,000 or 2,000, whatever you have, you'll have to enter here. Small appliance, you have, for example, two, and then laundry circuit, you have one. So now you can add kitchen, laundry, HVAC, pool and spa, EV and custom. If you have custom, you don't know what's the type of that load, you will have to just enter custom. This one is the category. And I will select kitchen and then dishwasher and then garbage and then trash compactor, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, range, war warming drawer. This is a lot of appliance which is used in the kitchen. And now here is laundry and utility, and you'll have to select here category laundry and utility. You will see water heater, clothes washer, sump pump, well, water pump, water softener, etc. And then if you have HVAC units, you'll have to select here furnace blower and then air handler, in blah blah blah. And then now ERB and HRB, both bath exhaust fan, you can select here which type of load you want. You can select here EV, and then you have EV charger L1, EV charger L2, because there is not the L3 specific category for the EV charger, uh, because the dwelling only allow to put simple level 2 or level 1 charger, not a big. Okay, so if you want to add this, you can click here, and this one is the live compliance check. If you want to check your service is okay or not, you'll have to check this. Okay, so you have to add these SPD and emergency disconnect. You have to these things. And then here we have range kilowatt 220.55, 220.54, this dryer. And then if you have 12 kilowatt, you will have to just enter 12. If you have VA 5000 for 5 VA, you'll have to enter here. Then AC VA and heat VA, superheat VA, and then these are the heat type. And then if you want to add more appliances like kitchen appliance, you'll have to select here and then add this. If you want to add only one of refrigerator or range hood, just click here. The one multiplied by range hood will be added. So if you want to add one by one, and then this thing, standard and optional, will change automatically. Like you are adding the appliances, and then standard and optional method is going to change. So you can see governing sizing and optional method. This one is calculated by this. If you want to calculate as per standard, you will have to go to this insert standard only, and then the cable will be as per this standard. If you want to move with app optional, then you will see optional cable sizing. Means as per this amps or service, the cable will be selected. So now here we have the explain. You can governing optional 260 and then standard and then optional and then service size, how they are calculating. So this one is if you are adding like this, the load is not automatically changed. You will have to click here. Okay, the load will change. If you want to add more, the load will automatically change through click when you click here. Explain and then insert. This one is amazing feature of this app. You'll have to insert sheet here, click here, and then you'll have to give the height of the text like 5 and then insert anywhere in your drawing. I have added a lot of appliances in it. So you can see a lot of appliances. I have clicked a lot of time on the device, on this add device. I have clicked a lot of time. I am going to add more. You can see the load is going to change. When you insert and then enter the height like 5 and then insert anywhere in your drawing, and you can see this one is bigger than this because I have added more appliances in it. So you can add many and many appliances in it, but dwelling unit don't have a lot of appliances. They have like 10 appliances, 20 appliances, more maximum 20 appliances. So this is very helpful for you. You can do the calculation, load calculation through standard method, optional method. You can insert this calculation in your drawing in a very few seconds. Okay, so if you want to remove all, you will have to click clear all. If you want to remove only one, just click one by one, remove. So in this way you can remove, and you can study all of this stuff as well. I have added a guideline for this, like this one is complete guide how the calculation works, neutral, optional method, sizing and governing method, NEC tables, a lot of tables used in it in this calculation. So you can see here, this one is the table 310.12, 83% rule, and you can see this one is the table. The service size, maximum service size will be 400 ampere. If you have 600 ampere service size, then the calculation will be done as per this table. You will have to select the cable as per this table. Okay, so if you want to add more details in it, you will have to just talk to me, and we will study that. If you want to uh, enter the details in it or add the details in it, so you will have to just contact us through the given links which I have added in the description or adding in the comments. So you can contact me through that app. So I will try to talk to you, and we will do that. Thanks.